Do you know that you can actually go live on YouTube with zero subscribers? Yes, you can actually go live on YouTube with zero subscribers. And funny enough, I learned this from someone who just started on YouTube. Yes, my friend. I actually learned this from her. She's a new YouTuber, right? And when she told me that you could go live on YouTube with zero subscribers, I was surprised. I was like, okay, you just came. How did you know? Like, how did you get to know it? I have been on YouTube for a while. I don't know. In fact, what I know is the fact that you need to have 50 subscribers before you can, go live on YouTube. That is the idea I had. So when I heard that from her, I just went ahead to actually do a research. I went on I used my ChatGPT, right? I used that to check first, and I asked, can you go live on YouTube with zero subscribers? And I was surprised at the result I saw. And yes, you can go live on YouTube with zero subscribers. If you're wondering how, you can achieve this if you have a system, if you have a laptop. Yes, if you own a laptop, you can go live with zero subscribers. You don't need to wait for 50 subscribers to go live. This is a very shocking realization for me, but I thought not to keep this information. I thought to share with somebody just because I know that a lot of YouTubers don't even know that they can go live. We are all waiting to get to at least 50 subscribers before we can go live. But now that I know, I thought to share this information and not gatekeep it.
All right, so I literally went on ChatGTP to confirm this information, and I would like us to, see this together. I said, okay, so I hope you can read this. So if you have a system, definitely you can actually go live. You can actually go live with zero subscribers. You don't need to wait anymore to have all of the subscribers. You don't need to go also for subscribers before you can go live. If you have a system, you can definitely go live.
So if you are here on YouTube and you are new, in fact, you've never made any video at all, but you are interested in starting up your YouTube channel and you have a system, by system I mean a laptop or any other computer that isn't a phone, you can actually go live having zero subscribers. Yes, if you doubt it, you can research this thing I just said now or go ahead and practice by opening your laptop now, opening your channel or creating a new channel if you don't have one, and try it. You can actually go live, and that is one good way you can get subscribers fast. Yes, this one going live is it's one of the best ways that you can get subscribers. So what are you waiting for? Now I've shared this information. It is up to you to get started. It is up to you to do what is right instead of procrastinating again. If you have your system, you have your internet, just go on your YouTube, open your channel and go live. You'll be surprised, yes, how one video, two videos can give you the subscribers that you need very fast, even faster than people who are doing it just by using their mobile phone. Yes, I've shared this info with you. You can thank me later. Just go and try. And yes, I am Alivetu, and thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you have any question, you can ask me. If you have anything to say, if you have anything, you can leave in the comment section. If you need a video, you want me to talk about a particular thing, please leave it in the comment section, and I'm going to be answering you. All right, bye for now.